This video will work to see whenever I click or tap on the image, I'll able to see full image with the username. So for this inside container, I'm gonna create a new folder for give its name. So full img, and I'm gonna create its index.js file and giving it rnf. For this, I'm going to give a full img, and I'm going to write the text. Okay, I will start work. I'm not giving it a dummy text. Will work finish this screen in this video. So just import full img here. So full img, and cut it from here, paste here, and move to navigation. Where is our navigation? I have to pass the reference of full img here as well. Copy this one and import this. So full img, this one. Yeah, that's fine. And for this, I need to pass header left title. It will take the it will hold the header, but for this I'm not going to show the title, so I'm going to use header header this should be back title, and it has null title. So let's move to our show profile img, and let's design something. So for this, first of all, what I need, from it gonna navigate to this screen from the dashboard. So I just want some params from the dashboard. So just pass property here, props here. First one is route, and second one is navigation. So const destruct it from the route. I'll have some params from the route. So, and what will be these params? I'll expect the params. First one should be the name, and second should be image. And if user haven't image, so just I expect image text here. So that's all. Now use the layout effect. So use layout effect here, and pass here like navigation dot set options, and inside it I need to pass our header title, and inside our header title I'm gonna use text txt. Make sure import text from React Native, and inside text I have to just pass the name what I get from the dashboard screen. So use layout effect this, and as the dependency I need to pass navigation here for the dependency. So that's all. And for in place of view I'm going to use fragment, and here I'll check img, if there is image, then do something else. I'm gonna render another video. So if there is image, then I'm going to use image and source, giving source property. Make sure import image from React Native. Image should import React Native, and I'm going to pass the property of source, and inside URI I'm gonna just pass img here. And for this style I'm just giving image style to flex of one. So just to use global style dot flex of one, and I'm going to give it resize mode of cover, pass here. And if we haven't any image, then what I need to do, I need to pass a view here, and for this I'm going to give a text, and inside text I'm going to use img text here. And now let's give some style to view here as well. For view, having a global style dot flags of one, and it also have the background color, and color should we have uh, it should be have the value of color dot black. This is our theme color we are using throughout the application. And for style of text, I'm going to give it some style, that styles dot text, and below I'm going to use style sheet. So const styles should be have the props style sheet, import from React Native style sheet dot create. And let's see, style, we have our style sheet. Okay, this is wrong here, and you need to import style sheet from React Native. Okay, for the style sheet I'm going to use text, and for the text I just give it property of color, and the color should be our color dot white color for this. And for this I'm going to font size 200, and font weight, it should be having font weight bold. So that's all for this. Check if it's working. Now I need to move my dashboard index.js file, and make here setup. Like for the profile, if user tap on image, so pass property here on image tap, it should have an arrow function, and arrow function I'm going to call a function image tap, that will img tab, that will have two parameters, item dot profile img, and I think we are working for the current user. I can simply pass profile image and name here, and copy this line, and pass here for show user. And here I need to write here item dot profile image, or item dot name. Also I need to uh, create this function. So let's create this function above here. And what I need to do, like let's create this function below logout, and I need to create function here. I'm comment on it on image tab it's gonna use. So const img tab is equal to something, it hold profile image, and also it hold the name. And if not profile image, I'll check if there is no profile image, then do something else, do something. So if there is no profile image, I have to navigation dot navigate to the screen, so full img, and by separate with a comma I can pass props here, and props should be, first one is name, and if there is no image I have to pass image text here, and for image text I have to pass name dot char at. Since if there is no image, we are showing the first character of the username, and copy this one. In else part if I have to simply pass img, and img should hold profile img. So that's fine. Let's see it's working or not. Reload application once. It is taking some time to load all of our users. There you can see if I tap on image, then you can see I have text tool and I have back button here. Then I can simply see full picture of any user. Let's create one more user, and if I log out this application, sign up, and I'm gonna create user test 3, and for this I'm going to give name of test30@gmail.com and write the password 123456 123456. Sign up here, since Firebase allows 6 digits of password. So there you can see we have image first as a first character of username. If I click on it, it is showing image right top of screen. So let's change here, and inside it, in place of flex one, I can simply write section center here. uh, Sorry, in place of section center I think this should be container center. Yeah, that's fine. Now if I'm able to see profile picture all of the users who has their image or who haven't. So that's all for this video. With next video we'll start working with our chat module.